Hello, come on in. I'm Risha Walden, founder, creative principal of Walden Interiors, and the leading expert in vegan interior design. I'm inviting you into my home office today because I want to do a deep dive into one of the trends of 2021 that I talked about earlier in the week, your home office. So after moving into my home about 3 years ago, I realized I really need to have a comfortable, functional office that allows me to express myself and do the kind of creations that will allow me to service my clients how I like to do. A quick overview of my office. I've got a desk, my storage space, a little seating area, and some wide open space. As an interior designer, I have lots of samples and swatches that I need to bring together, and I need a space to do the design process. So let's take a look around. As soon as you enter my office, to the right, there's a great seating area. This is an old chair I've had for a while, and it's a great area for relaxing. And I get some of my best ideas just sitting here thinking. A little further past the seating area, on the right-hand side, is a long, wide cabinet. And as an interior designer, as I said, I have materials and colors, and I need a dedicated space to keep them all and keep it clean in my office. But look at the gorgeous design on this cabinet. It just brings another element on a piece that can often be boring and plain. And onto my desk. I have a big and wide and powerful desk, which makes me feel powerful when I sit here. But the design is phenomenal. And the one thing you may have seen about what I like is color. So the color in here is one of my favorite. It's a very deep, saturated orange, and it's so warm and glowing in the summer, and in the winter it keeps me warm and inspired. I love my desk. I've also got a storage and shelving unit here that keeps me organized and hides the messes that I don't want other people to see. I've put a carpet on the floor, and that helps with sound absorption and keeps me warm in the winter. And finally, the art on the wall. Some of it is mine and some of it is for my favorite artists, but they inspire me and they keep me in the creative process. This little home tour, this little office tour that I've given you, I hope it inspires you with creating the kind of home office that helps you thrive. Check out my website at waldeninteriors.com.